You know, life moves so fast that sometimes we don't even realize how much we're learning every single day. We face challenges, make decisions, meet new people, win some battles, lose a few too. And in between all of that, we grow. But here's the truth. Real growth doesn't just happen by accident. It happens when you start paying attention, when you learn from every step, and when you build habits that push you forward instead of holding you back. Today, I want to share something truly special with you. 10 powerful life lessons that can help you grow not just in your career, but also as a person. These are not just fancy ideas from books. These are practical, real, human lessons. Lessons that give you clarity, courage, and confidence to build the kind of future you actually want. So if you've ever felt stuck, lost, or just ready to take your life to the next level, stay with me till the end. I promise, by the time we finish, you'll walk away with simple but powerful ideas you can use right away in your daily life. Let's dive in. Number 1. Build your own treasure of wisdom. Let's start with something simple but truly life-changing, writing down what you learn along the way. Most of us have powerful aha moments in life and work, but we forget them as quickly as they come. Maybe it's something smart a colleague said, a strategy that worked well, or even a mistake that taught you a big lesson. Don't let these moments slip away. Get into the habit of capturing them, in a notebook, a notes app, or a simple document. Over time, what you're creating is your very own personal treasure chest of wisdom. This isn't some generic textbook, it's your story, your insights, and your journey. Every time you revisit those notes, you'll remember where you were, what you learned, and how it shaped you. Writing things down also forces you to slow down and reflect. It makes your learning stick deeper and helps you turn experience into real growth. It's like having a personal map you can look back on whenever you need clarity or inspiration. Number 2. Make your work fit who you are. Here's something a lot of people don't realize early enough. Your career should work for you, not against you. It's not just about collecting a paycheck at the end of the month. Your work should give you a sense of purpose, and it should allow you to bring more of your real self into what you do. If your job feels a bit disconnected from your interests, think about how you can shape it. If you love creativity, problem-solving, mentoring, organizing, whatever it is, find ways to bring more of that into your day. Volunteer for projects that match your strengths. Add your touch to tasks. Even if some parts of your job feel dull, having these spark moments makes everything easier to handle. And if you're not sure what excites you yet, that's okay too. Clarity doesn't usually fall from the sky. It comes from trying things, exploring, and paying attention to what makes you feel alive. Your job should grow with you, not trap you. Number 3. Be so good they can't ignore you. Many people spend years searching for the perfect mentor. But here's a powerful truth. When you become excellent at what you do, the right people will naturally notice and want to help you. Excellence is magnetic. When your work speaks for itself, you don't have to chase mentors. They'll find their way to you. And remember, you don't need one single mentor to guide your entire life. You can have many, each helping you in different ways. One might help you build confidence, another might teach you strategy, and another might show you how to navigate your workplace politics. Some of your mentors might even be people you've never met, through books, interviews, podcasts, or online courses. But to attract that kind of support, your performance needs to shine. Stay visible, contribute meaningfully, and let your actions speak louder than your words. Number 4. Say yes before you feel ready. Here's something that can completely change your life. Stop waiting until you feel fully ready. Because honestly, nobody ever feels 100% ready for their biggest opportunities. When a challenging project or role comes your way, and you feel even 70% prepared, grab it. Say yes and learn as you go. This is where real growth happens. Over-planning, overthinking, and waiting for the perfect time just holds you back. But when you step up, even with doubts, you learn fast, you stretch your limits, and you discover strengths you didn't know you had. Of course, you'll make mistakes, but that's where the best lessons come from. These experiences give you a massive head start compared to those still waiting for the right moment. Confidence doesn't come first. Courage does. And courage grows every time you push yourself a little further than your comfort zone. Number 5. Facts are your superpower when emotions rise, when there's conflict, or when important conversations are happening. Facts are your strongest weapon. Emotional statements can be misunderstood, but facts are hard to ignore. Think about it. Saying, "You always ignore me," creates drama, but saying, "I've asked you 3 times this week without getting a reply," creates accountability. Facts make your voice stronger. They show that you're clear, professional, and serious about what you're saying. In a workplace, this can make a huge difference. It helps in negotiations, in difficult conversations, and even in day-to-day teamwork. People trust those who speak with clarity, so whenever possible, ground your words in something real and specific. That's how you protect your credibility and build respect. Number 6. Don't let rules box you. And here's something many people don't question. Rules are made by people. And if they're made by people, they can also be changed, improved, or worked around in smart and ethical ways. Not every rule is set in stone. Sometimes they're just habits people follow without knowing why. If a rule is stopping progress or making things harder than they need to be, ask questions, understand its purpose, then find another way to get the job done. Don't be afraid to challenge old ways of doing things. This doesn't mean breaking the rules. It means looking at them creatively. The most successful people aren't just the ones who work hard. They're the ones who find smarter paths when doors seem closed. Innovation often starts with asking, "Why are we doing it this way?" Number 7. Know your worth and negotiate it. Here's a golden rule for your career. The first offer is not the final offer. Whether it's your salary, a promotion, or any big opportunity, companies will always do what benefits them. That's business. But that's also why you need to stand up for your worth. Don't be afraid to ask smart questions and negotiate. Say something like, "Can you explain how you arrived at this number?" Or, "Was my experience fully considered?" A calm, respectful conversation can lead to a much better outcome. Most organizations expect some negotiation. When you come prepared with research, data, and confidence, it shows that you value yourself. And that makes others value you more too. Negotiation isn't about being greedy. It's about making sure your hard work and skills are fairly recognized. Number 8. Speak up. Your voice matters in meetings or group discussions. Silence can sometimes work against you. People might think you're not paying attention or that you have nothing to contribute, even if that's not true. That's why speaking up matters. You don't have to deliver a groundbreaking speech. Even a small contribution, asking a good question, summarizing a point, or offering a quick insight shows that you're engaged. Remember, you were chosen to be in that room for a reason. Your perspective matters, even if you're new or less experienced. Fresh eyes can often see what experienced people overlook, and the more you speak up, the more confident you'll become. People start remembering the ones who speak, not the ones who stay silent. Number 9. Kindness comes back around. This one might sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful lessons in both career and life. Be kind. The way you treat people today can come back to help you in the most unexpected ways tomorrow. The intern you smiled at today might be a manager one day. The colleague you helped years ago might open a door for you in the future. Your reputation is like a shadow. It follows you everywhere. So treat everyone with respect and kindness, not just those who can benefit you. A kind word, a small gesture, remembering someone's name. These things might feel small but leave a lasting impact. When you build a reputation for being decent and genuine, opportunities find their way to you. Goodwill is a powerful currency in any career. Number 10. Stay curious and aware. Doing your job well is just the beginning. If you really want to move ahead in your career, you need to stay aware of what's happening around you. Be curious. Understand the bigger picture. Know which projects are coming up, who's moving into new roles, what new strategies are being discussed. This kind of awareness gives you a huge advantage. While others are just focusing on their desk, you're seeing the whole map. That means you can position yourself early, grab opportunities before they're announced, and grow faster. Build connections with people in different teams, stay informed, and always keep your ear to the ground. Success doesn't just belong to the hardest worker, it often belongs to the most aware one. These 10 lessons might sound simple, but together they can reshape the way you grow in your career and in your personal life. Write down your learnings, shape your work to fit your passions, aim for excellence, speak up, stay kind, stay aware, and most importantly, keep moving forward even when you don't feel fully ready. Growth doesn't come from waiting for the perfect moment. It comes from taking action, learning along the way, and building a strong foundation step by step. If you put even a few of these lessons into practice, your future self will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really hope you found it helpful and learned something valuable that can make a difference in your life and career. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future videos like this. I share powerful lessons, practical tips, and real-life strategies to help you grow personally and professionally. So stay connected, keep learning, and keep moving forward. See you in the next video. And remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to your bigger goals tomorrow.